इलेक्शन सगळे 100% वोटींग जातलें. आमकां उमेद आसा 25च्या पेक्षा चड मतां जी आसा पळय न्ही गोंयांत आमकां मेळटली. आमी सगळ्यांक रिक्वेस्ट केलें की मतदान आमकां करचें म्हणून. थँक्यू.
How is the important day on the presidential election is
Yes.
there? How is it important in India and the world?
It's my first time. I'm voting for the first time for the presidential election. It's an honor, and our candidate Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji will definitely be the winning candidate, and it's an honor to vote for her. We've interacted with her a few days back.
His background, how is he?
She's so down to earth, and she's come from such a humble background, but she's going to be the next president of India. So this is the greatness of our country that we are so accepting, and greatness of our honorable PM Modi ji, his vision to select the right candidate.